Hello lovelies, welcome back to Lola's recipe. Happy new month and happy Sunday to you all. In today's recipe, I will be sharing with you how I make my tilapia fish stew. This stew tastes so delicious. You're going to love this recipe. Please keep watching. In this pot, I already washed and cut my tilapia. I will go ahead by adding some seasoning, salt, Maggi, onion, scotch bonnet, and I will just add water and boil the fish. Do you like to boil your fish before cooking, or you just cook it instantly? So here are the tomatoes that I will be using and pepper with onion and some scotch bonnet as well. I will go ahead and blend them together until I get a smooth paste. So the fish has finished boiling. In a separate pot, I will go ahead by adding some red oil, some diced onion. I will stir for a few minutes. Next, I will add the blended pepper and tomatoes. In this recipe, I use fresh tomatoes, bell pepper, and the other long pepper, which we call shombo. Okay, so I will stir this and cover the pot to cook for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, I will then add my seasoning, which is Maggi. I'm using one Maggi here, and I will add little salt and also aromat seasoning. I will stir. Now we add these proteins. This is smoked turkey and cow ears. Okay, remember we are cooking tilapia fish, but I decided to add this smoked turkey in case my children want to eat from it. They won't eat the tilapia fish because of bones, and they don't really like fish like that. Now we add the tilapia fish to the stew. Remember, I've already boiled the fish. Okay, so I don't have to cook this for longer. I will cook this for about 6 to 8 minutes, then the stew is ready. This is the water from the fish that I boiled. This water gives extra flavor to the stew as well. So I've tasted the stew and everything is perfect. I don't need to add any seasoning to the stew. Okay, 8 minutes later, the stew is ready. So we enjoy this with some pando, gbegiri, ewedu as Yoruba babe. Okay, so you can use this to enjoy rice or amala or any swallow of your choice. Thanks for watching.